Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offers on Pinterest. To know how to fix or how to solve offers on Pinterest, we click on settings. In the first page, you will find the window of settings and you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above, you can search about Pinterest and you can click. Then you will click on the first stop and here you can click on storage. As you see, we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.